Hello, in this video you will learn how to correctly register your account in Global Unit Pay and have it verified. Let's start. Go to the main page of the platform. In the right upper hand corner, click the button Sign Up. In the box First Name, enter your first name in Latin letters, as it is written in your passport. If you don't have an international passport, use any website for transliteration. This is how you can make sure that you write your first and last names correctly. In the box Last Name, enter your last name also in Latin letters. After that, input your current email address and a password. Please note that to make your wallet secure, the system will ask you to create a complex password, which has to include uppercase and lowercase Latin letters, digits, and special symbols, such as underscore and others. Come up with a password beforehand to make the registration process faster and easier. Next, select the primary currency of the wallet and click Sign Up. At this stage, you will receive a notification that a message has been sent to your email address with an inbuilt link to confirm your registration. If you can't find the letter, check your spam folder or click the button Resend. Open the message and click on the hyperlink. A new browser page will open for you to verify your email address. Click the green button and continue the verification process by clicking Complete KYC. On the page that will pop up, enter your mobile number in the international format and click Next Step, after which you will have to select between two ways of using a wallet in Global Unit Pay. If you intend to use the wallet only to handle cryptocurrency, click the button on the left, Continue without KYC. To enjoy the full functionality of the wallet, you need to click the button on the right, Complete KYC, and complete the verification. Now you need to go through the identity check, and before you continue, please read the recommendations. Make sure that your web camera is connected and fully operational and is positioned at your face level. Also, make sure that the lighting is adequate. If you wear glasses, check that there is no lens flare. Also, we recommend not to put on any headwear. Now you can select between the two verification options: using Global Pass app or going through the standard web-based verification procedure. We will look into both of them. Scan the QR code using Global Pass app. The links to download the app will be given in the description to this video. Follow the instructions in the app and take the necessary actions. This option is good for those who don't have a web camera or cannot scan their international passport. You still have the chance to get verified in a standard way using a webcam. For that, click the link Use Web Verification. Now you have to video record your face to confirm your identity. It is very easy to do, just follow the instructions as shown in the example. Click the blue button Start Video Recording and grant the browser permission to use your web camera. Video recording will start automatically. Look straight into the lens of the camera for a couple of seconds. Turn your head left, right, and then back straight. If it takes you less than 10 seconds to do that, you can click the button Stop Recording. Next, to check your identity, you need to choose the country of registration. Find your country in the list and select the type of document that you are going to use for verification. If this document is a passport, then it should be an international passport. Next, you need to confirm your passport details. Make sure you have your passport ready. If you have a good HD webcam, then do as shown in the example, which is to click the button, take a photo, and position your international passport in front of the camera, as shown in the example, making sure that all details are clearly visible. Or you can choose the second option, which is to upload the previously scanned or photographed document. Both options are good. After uploading, click Next Step. In this window, the system will automatically read all the information from your passport and fill in all the required fields. If this doesn't happen, enter your details manually and click Next. The next step is to confirm your residential address. Please note that when entering the address, you need to select it from the drop-down list. Also specify the city, the postcode, and the country of residence. Having done that, click Next. Check the correctness of the specified information and click Submit for a final approval. Done! The documents have been submitted for verification. Next, refresh the page and click the button Provide Docs to upload the proof of address and also fill in the form. Let's do it together. Click the first button, Submit, next to Proof of Address. In the pop-up window, click the button Attach Files and select the document that proves your address. What kind of documents can be used as proof of address? The most important requirement is that the document should be in English, and it should not be older than 3 months at the time of submittal. Any utility bill will do if it has your address on it. Also, you can use a statement from your current or savings account. As an alternative, you can upload documents issued by the government of the country you live in. This document should be in PDF or JPEG format and should not be bigger than 10 megabytes. Click Upload and proceed with filling in the individual's application form. Click the second button, Submit, next to individual's application form. This form serves to collect certain data to understand the purpose of your registration with the payment system Global Unit Pay and to prevent illegal financial activity. Let's begin. Input your first and last names in Latin letters. Make sure that the input data matches the previously submitted documents. Next, specify the date of birth and the city and country of birth. You can select the country manually from the drop-down menu or type the first letters in the name of your country. Indicate your citizenship in the next box. If you have dual citizenship, specify both. Select the country and the type of document that proves your identity. Below, indicate the number of the document and the expiration date. In the next section, you need to specify the country of residence for tax purposes and your personal identification number or taxpayer identification number. If you don't have a TIN in your country, type 0 in the input field and check the box on the right. Next, check the appropriate box. In the next section, select the sources of the funds you have or plan to use to top up your Global Unit Pay wallet. Below, provide the information on occupation. On the next page, specify the purpose of opening the account. Select from the proposed options or indicate your own. In the box below, copy-paste the above options. Next, you need to specify your bank details and the name of your bank. Below, indicate the country where your bank is registered. Next, specify the countries from which funds will be coming to your account and countries to which funds will be transferred. If it's not EU countries, indicate them in the box Other. Below, select the services that you plan to use. You can choose one or several options. In the next section, select the expected monthly turnover of funds in your Global Unit Pay accounts and specify your expected first deposit. If the deposit amount will exceed 15,000 euros, indicate the source of those funds. Having done that, click Next. On the next page, you need to indicate whether you have been or are currently a politically exposed person or a relative of such. Confirm that the information you provided is correct and accurate by checking the box. Below, please confirm that you are the beneficial owner of the account and all of the funds coming to this account. And finally, check the box to confirm that all the activity involving the use of this account will be legal. Click the green button Submit and go to your email box to copy the verification code. Paste the code in the input box and click the green button once again. Great! The form has been filled in and submitted for verification. Within 5 business days, you will receive an email message with the verification outcome. For any other issues, please contact support. After your account is verified, you can enjoy the full functionality of the platform Global Unit Pay.